I am Dr. J. Maheshwaran, Principal of St. Xavier's Catholic College of Engineering, Nagargoil. We are very glad in attending this NPTEL SPOC workshop held today at Terrace Hall, IIT Chennai. And in our institution, we are encouraging our faculty members and students to take up the NPTEL courses. As far as the faculty members are concerned, we are encouraging them to take up a course on teaching learning domain and their subject domain in a year. Thereby, a number of faculty are completing the NPTEL courses successfully and they are securing the toppers, then elite with the gold category, silver category. And as far as the students are concerned, they are taking the NPTEL courses and we are encouraging for those who completed NPTEL courses successfully for credit transfer as well as dropping a elective course also. And since our college is located in a rural area, this encourage completion of NPTEL courses enhances their learning levels as well as the knowledge levels as well as the skills development. Therefore, congratulations to the efforts taken by the NPTEL, and since the courses are designed by the well experienced professors of IIT as well as other central government institutions, it is much useful for the faculty as well as students to enrich their knowledge. All the best. Thank you.
I am Dr. S. Vijayaraghavan, SPOC from Muthaimal Engineering College, as well as I myself as a professor and head AIDS department. I was travel NPTEL from initial days onwards, from 2016 or 17, last 6 to 7 years I was in NPTEL. Actually, I have completed more than 10 plus courses from NPTEL, and my students are also doing more courses from NPTEL. In our institution, we are course equivalence, that is for credit based courses. அதாவது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 3 கோர்சஸ் வந்து எங்களோட கரிக்குலமில் வச்சுருக்கோம். அந்த 3 கோர்சஸ் அவங்க கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணாங்கன்னா 3 ஈக்குவலன்ஸ் கிரெடிட்ஸ் வில் பி ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர்ட் ஃப்ரம் திஸ் பர்டிகுலர் கோர்ஸ். Like that, we are doing NPTEL is very useful for our students. IIT professors-ஓட knowledge வந்து transfer to the rural based colleges is very useful information. இது எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது. Thank you very much for NPTEL for giving opportunity for us. Actually, we are offering that is for the domain scholars. We are encouraging the students for domain scholars. For the domain scholar part, minimum 2 courses we are offering for minor degree. For that minor degree, we are offering minimum 2 courses. Maybe they are taken from NPTEL. Like that, we are doing the courses. அதில் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு வந்து ரெகுலர் ஹவர்ஸ்லேயே வீக்லி 2 ஹவர்ஸ் ரெகுலர் டைம் டேபிள்லேயே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வீக்லி 2 ஹவர்ஸ் வந்து டெடிக்கேட்டட் ஃபார் NPTEL. அதில் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு அந்த ஐஐடி ப்ரொஃபஸரோட வீடியோஸ் வாட்ச் பண்ணுறது, அது இல்லாமல் அதில் ஏதாவது டவுட்ஸ் இருந்ததுன்னா கிளாரிஃபை பண்ணுறது, அப்புறம் அசைன்மெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து சால்வ் பண்ணாங்கன்னா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து குரூப்பாக டிவைட் பண்ணி அந்த குரூப் ஆஃப் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் டிஸ்கஸிங் வித் அந்த ஆன்சர்ஸ் எப்படி வந்ததுன்றதை டெரிவேட் பண்ணுவாங்க. அந்த மாதிரி அவங்களுக்கு we are providing a platform for NPTEL courses. இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய கிளாஸஸ் ஹவர்ஸ்லேயே நாங்கள் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு NPTEL லேர்ன் பண்ணுறதுக்காக ப்ரொசீட் பண்ணுறோம். இதனால் பார்த்திங்கன்னா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸோட நாலேஜ் லெவல் வில் பி இன்க்ரீஸ். அதாவது பார்த்திங்கன்னா நம்ம ஐஐடி ப்ரொஃபஸரோட நாலேஜ் நம்மளோட ரூரலில் இருக்கிற ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்கும் ரீச் பண்ணுறதுக்கு நல்ல ஒரு பிளாட்ஃபார்மாக NPTEL யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது. Thank you very much for this opportunity. Thank you.
This is Veena Anand from Christ Academy Institute of Advanced Studies, Bangalore. I am the NPTEL SPOC for my college. I've come for this SPOC workshop. I feel very good. This is my first time into IIT Madras. It's my dream come true to come to this institute. I look forward to the day. We do use NPTEL courses a lot. We are encouraging students and faculty to take up. I'm sure this interaction today will pave the way for further collaborations with NPTEL. Thanks a lot.
This is Dr. Kanya Kumari from Andhra Laila Institute of Engineering and Technology, Andhra Pradesh. I'm very glad to be here at IIT Madras campus. This NPTEL program is very much helpful to the students and also faculty members. So from our college, a number of certificates have done. I'm from CSE department. Our students have done joy of computing, machine learning, deep learning, C programming, modern C++, so human computer interaction. Likewise, so many certification courses they have done. So top 1 percentile also one of our student received. So we are very much thankful to this NPTEL program, so which is a very good platform to learn. This is a bridge between the students and also this IIT campus. So the professors, what they are delivering the lectures are very much helpful to the students and also faculty members. So the students are utilizing very well they by listening to these videos. So we are very happy. So we are more interested to do more certification courses, and also we have registered this quantum computing also. So last week online session also we have attended. So very nicely the program was scheduled. So likewise in future also we will continue in doing these certification courses. So we are expecting to come again to this campus next year.
I am Dr. K. Sirisha, Associate Professor from the Department of CSC, Andhra Loyola Institute of Engineering and Technology. This NPTEL, it is a very good platform for both the faculty and the students to learn new things and to get the knowledge, to acquire the knowledge, to enhance the knowledge. And there are many students in our college who have completed different courses. It's very, I think it is a platform which surely helps both the faculty and the students. And this is first time I came to IIT Madras, and the campus was very good. And I surely, I think all the faculty, all the professors who are explaining from this IIT Madras were very good. And from there we are enhancing our knowledge. And thank you to NPTEL.
I am SPOC of our college, and also I am working assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I am from St. Joseph College of Engineering and Technology from Tanjavur. Actually, I can proudly say I am coordinator of NPTEL in department also, and also overall college. Actually, when I was a student, I wrote NPTEL exams and I have a certificates. So actually, I'm seeing as a NPTEL role is not just a coordinator; it's a bridge between students and NPTEL coordinator. Actually, I have motivated my students to enroll the courses, encouraged to register for the examination, and motivating to do assignments and help to get them certificates. Actually, not only for students, it's also very helpful for faculty members that have lots of open access courses in a premierly highly institution. Actually, this NPTEL certificate that has used for very useful for to placements, trainings, so and so, etc. Very thank you for giving this opportunity to me.
I am Ravi from Don Bosco Institute of Technology, Bangalore. I am a librarian, and moreover I am a SPOC for the SWAYAM NPTEL program. So I came here to attend the SPOC awareness program. Generally, in our college we have motivate the students to do NPTEL courses, and also we are conducting some NPTEL soft skill training program through support of NPTEL Madras and mentoringship. Most of our faculties are doing mentoring for our students, and students are utilizing the MOOC courses, and they are getting more opportunity to build their career.
Myself, Vijayalakshmi C, working as Professor and Head in the Department of Statistics and Applied Mathematics, Central University of Tamil Nadu, Tiruvarur. So I am here deputed by our institute higher officials as SPOC and Nodal Officer for NPTEL SWAYAM course, and I came here to attend the workshop. And the workshops whatever I attend, it helps my students, all the students of Central University of Tamil Nadu and faculty members, so that they register for more courses and they gain knowledge in this. Thank you very much. Enrolled for this course, like around 4,600 students have enrolled for different types of courses in 28 different domains, and it's very much helpful for their higher studies as well as job opportunities in various fields. and faculty members are also benefited, and they also have come forward to give a course on that. And our higher officials, the Professor Vice Chancellor Professor M. Krishnan sir, and Registrar Sir Professor R. Tirumurugan sir, and Controller of Examination Professor Sulochana Shekhar, all guide us in different ways in such a way that we utilize the maximum opportunities via NPTEL or SWAYAM courses. They have started now, like skill-based courses are being taken by the students, and it helps them to learn a lot, both theory and practical courses, which they could apply in different fields. No, this is my third workshop like I'm attending. It's very happy and thrilling. Amazing, would like to learn a lot and update myself like. Now our students have applied it and we are trying to get it like. And another thing is like I could say like one word like Professor Jayakrishnan sir is always helping us in guiding by clarifying different types of doubts related to SWAYAM courses and NPTEL. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is PVS Muralidhar. I am SPOC of LC 443, Paida College of Engineering. We are from Andhra Pradesh. NPTEL is helping our students very much to learn their technical skills, mainly in electronics domain, mechanical domain, and now even in CSC domains also. Now our students are getting expertise in that. And one worth mention is in the recent July 2025 semester, one of our student, Vamsi Kumar, got internship from IIT Roper. He studied NPTEL course and he got Elite Gold in Java programming. And we are fortunate enough that IIT Roper Professor Suresh Iyengar has given Sudarshan Iyengar has given IIT Roper internship for him, and we are thankful for the NPTEL team as well as Shivasankar Das sir also in IIT Madras. They helped in getting this internship. Now many of the students are joining in this semester. We got around 785 enrollments as of now.
I am Dr. Fiona Shinu Francis. I am the spoke of Equinus College at Kochi. I am from Kerala. We are an active NPTEL SWAYAM local chapter. We have around 235 students enrolled for SWAYAM NPTEL in the current semester. And NPTEL has actually enhanced the teaching and learning capabilities of the teachers as well as the students engaged in our college. And we are very happy to be a part of this local chapter because it's enhancing our career as well as the students. So it is in line with the SDG goals, that is education today, which is sustainable tomorrow. So thank you all. Thank you so much. We have around 235 students enrolled for SWAYAM. Actually, they are in the second year, so they have not yet finished their courses. Currently, they are aware of the CSR things because they are actually looking for funding agencies and internship programs. Most of the faculty has actually enrolled in various courses. They are doing their research, so as part of their research, in order to enhance their knowledge, they are doing. That's it. We are very happy that we actually joined as a local chapter this year, and as the first spoke of Aquinas College, I am very happy to be here. Thank you. Yes, it is the first time for me in IIT. It is very, very, very enriching, very sustainable in nature. It is very beautiful.